Hello, everyone. Welcome to this peaceful and relaxing English listening video. Today, we have a meaningful story called Stay Humble. It is about the art of quiet success. Many people want to show off their achievements. They want likes and praise. But true success often comes quietly. This story will show you why. Listen slowly. Let the words sink in. Repeat the sentences in your mind. Play this video on repeat even while you sleep. It will help your English and your thinking. In a big city, there lived two young men, Alex and Ben. They were classmates in college. Both were smart. Both worked hard. After graduation, they started jobs at the same company. Alex loved attention. When he finished a project, he told everyone, "Look what I did. I stayed up all night." He posted on social media pictures of his new watch, his fancy lunch, his promotion. "Hard work pays off," he wrote. People liked his posts. They commented, "Amazing. You're the best." Alex felt great. Ben was different. He worked just as hard. Sometimes harder. But he stayed quiet. When he finished a project, he smiled to himself. No posts. No bragging. He helped others without telling anyone. At meetings, he listened more than he spoke. Years passed. Alex got promotions quickly. People noticed him. He became a manager. He had a big office. A nice car. He threw parties. This is success, he thought. Ben moved slowly. He did excellent work, but no one shouted about it. He stayed in the same role for longer. He drove an old car. He lived simply. One day, the company had a big crisis. A major client was unhappy. The project was failing. Everyone panicked. The boss called a meeting. "Who can fix this?" Alex spoke first. "I can." "Give it to me." He took the project. He worked day and night. He posted updates. Saving the day. But the client got more upset. Alex's ideas were good, but he focused on looking good. He blamed others when things went wrong. The project failed. The client left. Alex lost his job. Ben watched quietly. After Alex left, the boss asked Ben, "Can you help?" Ben said, "I'll try." He worked with the team. No big talk. He listened to everyone. He fixed small problems one by one. He stayed late, but told no one. Weeks later, the client came back. "Your team is different now," they said. Honest. Reliable. Ben saved the company millions. The boss promoted Ben. Not just manager, director. With a big salary. But Ben stayed the same. No posts. No parties. He thanked his team quietly. People asked, "Ben, why don't you show off? You deserve it." Ben smiled. Quiet success lasts longer. Showing off brings pressure. Staying humble brings peace. Alex heard about Ben. He felt jealous at first. Then he understood. I chased attention. Ben chased real results. Alex started again at a new job. This time, he worked quietly. He focused on doing good work. No bragging. Slowly, people trusted him more. True success is not loud. It is steady. Humble. Reliable. Everyone, this story is simple but important. In life, we all want success. A good job. Money. Respect. But how we get there matters. Showing off feels good for a moment. But it can bring envy. Pressure. Fake friends. Quiet achievement builds real strength. Trust. Lasting respect. Think about your own life. Do you share every win? It's okay to celebrate. But ask yourself, do I need everyone to know? Sometimes, the best wins are the quiet ones. The ones only you know. Keep working hard. Stay humble. Let your results speak. Success will come. And it will stay. Thank you for listening to this slow English story. Let it remind you every day. Play this video again tomorrow. Let the easy words help your fluency and your heart. Good night or good morning. Stay humble. Keep growing. Sweet dreams. See you soon.